Thanks for tuning into another one of my videos. Today I'm going to show you how to charge a set of batteries in a golf cart with the completely dead without having to jump the charger or take the charger somewhere to get it bypassed. And you can see here when we plug the charger into the golf cart, there's nothing. I got it plugged into the wall, and then we'll plug it into the cart. Alright, what we're going to use is we got our charger station here where we test chargers with. We're going to take the jumper cables, hook them up to the dead set of batteries first. Negative to negative. Positive to positive. And then we want to take the same thing on your golf cart. If you wanted to use a golf cart, you just go from the golf cart main positive to your main positive, and vice versa with a negative. Don't be hating on my negative in here, but it works. And right now we got it jumped off the main positive and the main negative to the main positive and main negative on the Easy Go 48 volt car. Main positive, main negative, the main positive. And now you can see the charger's charging. Sometimes it might take you 5 minutes. It might take you 30 seconds. It depends on how much voltage is left in the battery pack. But we're going to unhook our jumper pack and just see if it stays charging. And you can see it stays charging, man. Alright, so we're going to let it charge up. Might take 8 to 12 hours to charge it up. I'll post some more videos. I haven't posted none in a while, but I'll post some more. Thanks for subscribing.